So, functionary. So, pag sinabi mong functionary and underling, yung functionary is an official that performs the, an official that ensures the normal functioning of a department. So, kung ikaw ay chief finance officer, chief operations officer, chief executive officer, yan. Yan yung mga functionary. Sinisigurado mo na maayos yung takbo ng department mo. So, yun yun. Yung general term ng mga yon is tinatawag na functionaries. Kasi very specific finance, technology, operating or operation, specific yan. Yan yung common na alam ng tao. Pero yung general term dan, we call that functionaries. Ayan, nakakapag-review tayo ng nakakapag-review tayo. So, yun lang po.